Let's talk about StoryJumper. So, what is so great about StoryJumper? Well, with StoryJumper, you can take any narrative and transform it into a storybook that can be either viewed on their website or even printed and ordered so students can hold it and read it. StoryJumper is not limited to the classroom. Again, students can access this anywhere that they have a computer and the internet. And with younger students, StoryJumper would definitely need to be used either one-on-one with the teacher, or it could be as a large group project led in the front of the classroom. So how will I use StoryJumper in my classroom? Well, I found if there's anything that preschool students love, it's fun stories that get them involved. If you can bring them into it using a setting that they're familiar with, or even pulling in them and their friends as characters, they love it. And StoryJumper gives you that unique opportunity to make your own book using them as characters. Again, a one-to-one tool use would practice emergent literacy and narrative building, or you could use it as a large group activity, which would work on those same things. Here's a screen grab of what the editing screen looks like. So let's try it out. Here I have one of their sample books. They have a template for this, and I'll show you how you can edit this. So here we're going to click edit. All right. So down here, you can select the pages that you're working on. And one thing I like about this is that you can see the pairing. So what pages are going to be next to each other, because that's relevant with, deciding a picture and the words to go on the other side. So here you could change the title of the book. If I wanted to make this the scary monster, I could type that in there. Click to add the author's name. I could write Miss Sutton. I could put my name there, and you can change any of the images. And the awesome thing about StoryJumper is while the teacher can add their own photos, all students can do is look at pre-uploaded images that are already deemed safe for school. So again, I looked up dinosaur. They can select any photo that they would like to use without the risk of searching Google for whatever might come up. They can add a dedication message, which I think is adorable. And here you can add props to photos in the story. So this could be characters. So maybe there's a girl over here hiding behind the wall from the dinosaur. Or maybe this dinosaur is eating an apple. And you could type anything here and change the font, the color. I think that this would be best used in front of the class, and I really think that kids would get a kick out of all the funny props you can add in, and especially using them as characters. I think they would be really engaged with this. All right, and that is StoryJumper.